Hey guys, my name is Aroon Kumar and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to unbox a new device which is a Xiaomi Mi TV Box S, which is introduced by Xiaomi. And I personally like this kind of devices. Why? Because this kind of devices can save a lot of money. If you are planning to buy a smart LED, like you have to spend $800 to $900, but if you buy this kind of device and connect with your normal LED, even if it's not 4K, you can watch the 4K content on your TV with this kind of devices. You can play games, you can browse online contents, you can download application, and apart from that, it can connect your smartphones with the TV directly. So I personally like this kind of devices, and we will just do the unboxing of this one. If you guys are new on this channel, subscribe the channel so you will not miss the interesting videos like this one. Let's just start the video. So guys, this is the main packaging of the Mi TV Box S. On the top, they already mentioned Chromecast is a built-in, so it means you can pair your smartphones with the TV using this device. Google Assistant, 4K supporting, and all those applications are already inbuilt inside. Comes with a free HDMI cable. On the back side, they mention some things which will support this device, and most important thing, it's a quad-core CPU, 3+2 core GPU. They didn't mention anywhere about the RAM and the memory, but I will tell you it comes with a 2 GB RAM and 8 GB internal memory. So let's just open the box. So these are the main things which is coming inside the box. First one is a Mi TV box. Another thing is manuals. Comes with the power adapter, HDMI cable, and the most important thing is the remote. Right now we will just keep it aside and we will just start with the main thing, which is a Mi TV box. So this is the design. It's a small design, lightweight, and on the back side they give the main functions, which is the audio port, HDMI port, USB port, and power adapter port. Here you can connect with the power and this device will turn on, and it comes with the remote control. The remote control is a very interesting thing of the Mi TV box. On the top they give the power button, voice assistant button. So if you want to use the Google Assistant, you can just directly press this button. Left, right, up, down, OK button, main menu, back, and this also has a exit button, I guess. We will check it. Netflix, they give the individual button for the Netflix, so you don't need to search the application. Just directly press the Netflix button and the Netflix will turn on. Live TV, I have no idea for this one as well. We will just check once we will just connect this device with the TV. And the volume controller. So there is a microphone also, so if you want to give the instructions to the Google Assistant, you can use this one. So let's just connect this device with the TV and let's see the interface of this Mi TV box. So guys, I just connect the Mi TV box with the TV, and right now we will just do the configuration of the Mi TV box so we can use this one. And in this step, I will just configure my smartphone with the Mi TV box. So if I want to mirror my cell phone with the TV, it will be easy for me. So I will just configure this one. I just have to open the Google app in my smartphone and just say a few things. Okay, Google, set up my device. So this kind of thing will open in my smartphone, so I can just directly configure my smartphone with the Mi TV box. Now it's just searching the device. It's just find my Mi TV box 158, which is already mentioned on the screen. You guys can see. Now I will just select the device. It's connecting to my device. And when it's connected, they will show me the code here on the screen also. So we will just say next. Now it's connected automatically. I don't need to configure my Wi-Fi also with this one. It's automatically connected with my device. And even you can directly configure your Gmail account with this Mi TV box once your device is connected. So you guys can see All of my cell phone information is automatically in the Mi TV box, and now it's just taking the time to configure the device. Once it's connected, you will see the interface on the screen. It's connected. Now I start using TV remote. Now this remote is working. If I wanna mirror my cell phone with the TV, I can do install the application of the Mi TV box in my cell phone. It's just installing the application. Now it's asking for the permission to install all those applications. Here you can see the Android TV application is already installed in my smartphone. So if I want to control the Mi TV box from the smartphone, I can connect, but I will just use the remote. Now let's see the interface of the Mi TV box. It's asking for install all those applications which is already take, like a Facebook, MX Player, and it's all applications which is preloaded in this. But if you want to install, you can. Kodi is a most important application. You can watch lots of online channels on this Kodi free of cost. AirPlay DLNA receiver, so you can connect different kind of devices which is supporting the DLNA AirPlay, like Apple devices with this Mi TV box. I will just say install all the applications. Okay, continue. Now it's just do some more configuration and it's done. So it's just connected. This is the main interface of the Mi TV box. On the left side you can see the application modes, which is the Netflix, features, applications, and once I will press the play button, these are the applications which is already installed. If I want to install more applications, I can directly go to the Play Store and I can download the applications. Here you can see you can customize all those things if you want. You can fix your favorite applications here. Here you can fix some favorite TV series or movies which you want to see, which is already this is all customized. You can do it. Red Bull TV, all the episodes are there. You can use, even you can customize the channels. You can see downside on the top, and we will see here the settings, which is a most important thing. In settings, there is a Wi-Fi, Google Cast. If I want to connect right now my smartphone with the TV, I like a pairing, I can display. What I will suggest you in a display, if your internet speed is good, you can select the 4K. If your internet speed is not good, better to go for the 1080p, which will not buffer the movie if you are watching something online. So there is a sound, apps, a screensaver, storage and reset about the device. Mi TV box, restart, these are the major informations. They are using the 8.1 version Android operating system in this. These are the major some information. Date and time, keyboard, home screen, search, Google, speech. This is a one playback setting. Let's see what's this one. HDMI self-adoption. It's like this. If this device is connected with any kind of TV, either TV is a full HD, 720p, 4K TV, so it will automatically adjust the frequency. As you guys can see here, these are the frequencies. If you will select the part mode and if you will select the total mode, the HDMI will automatically select the resolution. So right now we will just go back, accessibility, HDMI section, add Bluetooth accessories. Right now it's connected with my smartphone for the Bluetooth if I want to use the remote control application with this one. And another thing is a Bluetooth. If you guys are playing video games, you can buy any kind of Bluetooth controller device, Bluetooth joystick, and you can pair with this and you can play any kind of PUBG game on this device also, because this device can support lots of high resolution games. Right now we will just play some content on this one and let's see the resolution. Okay, so we will just play like this one song. First, this volume controller is only designed for the Mi TV box. Your TV volume control you have to control from your remote control. So this is the resolution. You can see this TV is only full HD, it's not 4K. So if you want to watch 4K contents right now in this one, you just need to select the resolution on the YouTube and you can watch. So guys, you saw the result of Mi TV box on a TV. Right now we will just connect the smartphone with the Mi TV box and let's see the result of the smartphone on the TV. I have to just go to the mirror screen in the smartphone. If you guys are using the new smartphones, all the smartphones comes with the mirror screen or mirrorcast or screencast, something like this. You can just search on your smartphones and you can find it. I have a wireless display in my smartphone, so I will just go there. So once I will just go, you can see it's already here, Mi TV box X4. I will just select this one and right now my cell phone will connect automatically with the TV. So my cell phone is connected with the TV. Let's see the result. It's not lacking, something like other devices, some smart TV dongles, sometimes it's lacking. So it's working fine. Let's just play the same video here. And we will just do the full screen. That's fine. You can see the resolution difference. Before the resolution was totally different. Right now you connect the smartphone with the Mi TV box and the resolution is little bit different. So there is a difference if you are directly using the Mi TV box YouTube and if you are pairing with your smartphone. So guys, this was the review of the Mi TV box and I will just tell you the price and everything. So guys, you saw the result of Mi TV box, how to configure, how to connect with a smartphone and how to use the settings of this one. I tried my best to show you guys each and everything. And if you guys want to buy this device, the cost of this one is only $75, which is available in the local market. I will just put the link inside the description so you can buy from the online also. And if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section. Share with your friends, might be they want to buy this kind of stuff, they don't want to change their TV. And till next time, this is Aroon Kumar signing off and don't forget to subscribe the channel.